It's an ELEGOO Centauri Carbon giveaway. Biff, pow, zap, clunk, clunk, ouchie. Hey guys, what would you do with an ELEGOO Centauri Carbon FDM printer? It's a legitimate question, and one that I asked myself shortly after receiving one to review 8 months ago now. Let's be fair, I'm known for resin printing, not FDM, and yet mine hasn't really sat idle. I've had a blast. Genuinely, the Centauri Carbon has helped me release my creative juices, and I've had a great time designing, printing and sharing models that were all developed on this printer. Things like castle ruins, chain link fences, small fantasy homes, a Viking axe, a working trebuchet, and a stupidly powerful Roman onager. I've created things that are completely impractical, like this fidget toy unopenable safe, and also sensible things like this simple funnel. And I've also created my most ambitious build to date, this glorious Mage's Tower that I'll tell you more about very soon. I've honestly been surprised how capable this FDM printer is and the quality it can achieve. The Centauri Carbon has genuinely thrilled me, and no, I'm not being sponsored to say any of this. Look at this fantasy skull. I printed this at 0.08 layer height, which is almost resin printing capabilities. And most critically of all, I've done nothing with this printer other than take it out of the box and use it as supplied. So when ELEGOO asked me if I'd like to give away a Centauri Carbon to my viewers, I said, what, only one? The winner will be expected to exclusively download and print just my models. Okay, I'm kidding there. Right now you're thinking, shut up and get on with the giveaway, so I'll do just that. To enter this free giveaway, you'll need to do 5 things. The first is suffer a little while longer as I tell you that ELEGOO has already launched their Black Friday mega sale, which runs from the 24th of October to the 2nd of December 2025. Don't miss your chance to score ELEGOO printers, resins and filaments at unbeatable prices, with deals up to 53% off, which is a crazy saving. There's $20 off a Centauri Carbon in the US, or €50 off in the EU. And as for the Saturn IV, there's $80 off in the US and €70 off in the EU. And of course, there's also their biggest discount offer yet. This is a very real sale and stocks are limited, so do check things out before the best deals are gone. There's a link in the description that will take you straight there. Now secondly, you'll need to subscribe to my channel, which luckily most of you have probably already done. Thirdly, you'll need to subscribe to ELEGOO's YouTube channel, which isn't a bad thing as there's some helpful videos there. Fourthly, you'll need to join ELEGOO's official website mailing list, which you can do by following this special link, which is also included in the description. The fifth thing is, place a comment below this video that begins with I'm subbed and I want a Centauri Carbon. You can add anything else you want, but add this after that first critical sentence. And that's it, you're sorted. I will not be selecting those who can take part in this draw. That will all be down to ELEGOO. They'll be collecting entries via YouTube comments, and they can verify subscriptions and mailing list signups before they provide me with a final entry list. When I receive that, I'll perform one of my typical fair and transparent draws. So let me quickly cover all that again. 1. Listen in about the Black Friday mega sale. Done. 2. Subscribe to my channel. Probably already done. 3. Subscribe to ELEGOO's YouTube channel. 4. Join the ELEGOO mailing list on their website via the link in the description. And 5. Add a comment below this video saying I'm subbed and I want a Centauri Carbon. And that's it. I wish you all the very best of luck. So get those entries done guys. Take care and thanks for watching.